garage. Hello to everybody. I'm here in the Philippines of Region 7 in Cebu, here in Mabolo City. I'm here in the garage because I was collecting this lately, the stems of the Lagundi that I just cleared on the top part. Wait. At the top of the pepper, because so that the sunshine can get into the pepper so it can fruit. So the stems on the top of the Lagundi I cut, and here it is. It was just last morning, and the leaves have already been very drowsy. It's very lousy already. And time today is by this time is almost near 3 o'clock. So I'm here in the Lagundi tree spot. This tree is it's not really a tree, but it is a shrub. But even though it's a shrub, it reaches at the height of 5 meters. But it is a shrub, it is not a tree. It is a herb. It is a tree of many purpose. It carries many purpose of for rejuvenating, for health-wise, and for skin treatments, and many others. Also for internal, for the internal pains and spasms. But today I will be making a skin regimen on the leaves. It will just be very easy. It's an organic regimen. So for those who are, this is also anti-allergic. Yes, and it is antibacterial. Anyways, when we come near here in the Lagundi, we must be careful because we will usually see a remnant here. It is very common, which is the woolly bear. Woolly because it is hairy. It's woolly like the woolly sheep, woolly bear, or in Tagalog we call it a steel ass. So I will let you see some. Let you see one woolly bear. Then let's proceed to the making of the skin regimen. Making of the skin regimen is not really a tasky thing. I'll just use only the leaves and none other any. Okay. The top. And just here standing right here, then it's on the top. It's taking a shade under the post of this garage woolly bear or tilas. There. I was tricked. See? They are being so defense. It's their self-defense to have same color with their surroundings. Okay, let's go there near the house to the workplace. I will just pull off the leaves here. These are just the ones that I'll be using. The flowers, I'll put it in the compost. Okay, so I'll collect on the leaves and take off the leaves. I'll pull off. All of the parts of the Lagundi is medicinal, but since I can't use the flower for any purpose today, I will just put it in the compost. You know, if you have organic waste, it's better that you practice reuse, reduce, and recycle. Lagundi tree is very much all of it's from the start that it's being from the very start that it is fresh. You can use it for personal, for medicine, and after using it, then you can reuse it, reduce and recycle it on the compost because it is organic. So you better practice it so that you can also help on the environment. So I'll collect on this here. I'll take off. I have already prepared something to put on. I don't know how to call this one, basket. A bucket. It's just easy, just take off like that. Just pull. Don't include the stalk. This one, the stalk. This one. Don't include this one. Only this one. Okay. Much better if you have plenty of leaves. Even though if the leaves has already been very torn, glossy, it is still okay for anyways. I forget to tell that we will be making a skin regimen by putting the leaves on the water bath. So it is like an aromatic bath, but I'm gonna tell you later, or I'll just tell you now. Okay, so what I will be doing is like an aromatic bath. The thing here, there's no need, there's no hard process in this task. We'll only get the leaves. As you see, this is a Lagundi, and it's already been beaten by a woolly bear. But anyway, there are no wools of it left. You can reuse this one. Anyways, we'll just use it for our external purpose, not internal. The purpose that we'll be doing this is that for the skin treatment for our scalp, to condition our hair. So as you see, my hair is really how do you call this one? It is a frizzy hair. So sometimes I don't even comb this one, only when I take bath. So I'm lucky today that I have cleared on the stems because I have plenty of leaves, and my hair will be very light and very cool. It will absorb cool air until it reaches the scalp. The scalp will be conditioned also. I will not have a headache because Lagundi is very known for its cooling effect. For its being anti-inflammatory. But the thing that I really benefit from this, having the Lagundi tree here, being planted here, that is grown here, is that I'm able to use it for skin regimen, for hair conditioning. So what we will be doing today is like 3-in-1 purpose: a skin regimen, anti-allergic maybe in one with anti-inflammatory, because if you have allergies you will be inflamed, right? So you'll just put it just in one. And the third is hair conditioning. Hair conditioner. So what I'll be doing is I'll pull on the leaves. Let's pull on the leaves. Much better if it's plenty. And then you slice the leaves into tiny slice it into even just like this, or not so much tiny, and you put it here in this, and after it is being filled here, this will act as a tea bag, like a tea bag, and we will dip it on the water, or it will just float on the water, and it is good for like 3 days, until 3 days, because of course the leaves will be dried and it will also be smelly, it will spoil. And then after that you can put it on the compost if you have a compost or just put it on your planting pots, on the grounds of the base of the plant. I will let you see my finished product after this. I'm supposed to keep on pulling this while talking. I have wasted my time. I should have used both time on sharing and pulling this. I could have saved. Okay, I'll let you see after slicing the leaves and putting it here. This is a net bag. A net bag. If anybody here is not familiar with a net bag, this is, and see, it is very strong, and it can't absorb water, and you can wash this one. Wash it with the detergent, and it will just be back clean. Okay. This is all I have collected so far with those stems that I have cut on the tree. There's so many woolly bears bites. See? But you can reuse the leaves. Nice. Now slice on this one, make the tiny pieces, and then we'll just right away put it here. And you can make this into a ball so that it will be smaller, not really just like this, because it is too much too big for the water bath. You just make it like a ball. So before we slice this one, we should wash it first. Should wash it properly to remove some of the particles that are unwanted, like dust, or there might be insects. This will be too messy to slice because it is wet. If this is washed properly. I don't need it to wash too much because it has been raining and the leaves are clean. Well, the woolly bears would just come out if it's not anymore raining, and they hurried on eating the leaves. That's why you can see a lot of leaves that are being bitten. It's like being hurriedly shaped into curves. The water will just drip on the holes. I think it's enough. Okay, here's my chopping board. Household chopping board. So let's start. Let's take a bunch of it. You can slice it together. It's not necessary to have an accurate size of a slice, as long as this just being sliced into tiny pieces. We just make our work very quick. This is just as important. There's no need to make it very sophisticated. See? Just do that, just like that. It's dark. Sorry. just put it in the nut bag. There you go, the nut bag. Make sure you don't make a mess on your table or the place where you are doing this, because the leaves are very messy and just go anywhere. Okay, right here. So here we have it. It's being reduced into tiny portions, and see, it is not anymore this much, but smaller, and we can even make it smaller, make it into a ball, or just fold this one, make it even more convenient to put on the basin, in the water bath basin. See? And you can tie it. Simple as that. Here you have now an aromatic bath. You put it on the water, dip it on there, and it just float for 3 days, or for 2 days if you can, if you don't want the smell, the change of smell on the 3rd day. If you want it as fresh leaves, or the smell is still fresh, it will be good for 2 days for our fresh smell. Okay, we're done. Better to secure it so that the leaves won't spill out. So, you like our video today, and you subscribe, like, and comment down below, and hope to see you soon in our next video. Bye bye. Keep on being updated.